What's going on, everybody? We got Trike-fest 2023 Tug of War going on. Three-wheelers pulling each other around. This is going to be a neat little video compiled of the Tug of War event from Trike-fest, and hope you guys enjoy it. Want to jump in here and say if you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead. Don't forget, it's free. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this kind of content, throw a comment down in there and tell me what you think about this kind of stuff. I'd really like to know what you guys think, what you want to see. Got some more pulls coming up, so keep on watching. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. We got Trike-fest 2023 Tug of War Volume 2 going on. Quick little video for you guys to check out the fun and excitement at Trike-fest and the Tug of War that was going on between the three-wheelers. We got guys building custom trikes and all that kind of neat stuff. Some of them are stock, some of them are quite custom. Tug of War's Tug of War. At the end of this video, we're going to have a couple of cards, one going to the first Tug of War video, another one going to the mud bog that was also at Trike-fest. So look forward to those at the end of this video. Out. Yep, we got these guys trying not to rip wheelies and doing all kinds of crazy stuff, trying to see who can pull harder. Yep, even one point in the video, we got these things stacked up with a bunch of people, and these guys are just smoking their clutches. The tire's not going anywhere. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and slap around that subscribe button a little bit. At least hit the like button, it's free. Doesn't take much effort at all, just a little click. And comments. Let me know what you think of this kind of stuff. Did you guys go to Trike-fest? Do you like three-wheelers? I'll let you guys sit back and finish watching these videos. These crazy guys ripping around trying to see who's got more pulling power. If you're still tuned in, I really appreciate it. Kind of helps out with that watch time a little bit. Don't forget, if you haven't rang that bell notification, I do live streams, and I will do Q&A sessions. You guys got problems, questions, mechanical stuff, hit me up, ask me, see what we can figure out. As always, see you in the next one.